Choosing a CNC milling machine manufacturer isn't just about the brand name. It's about part size, tolerance, price, lead time, service, and long-term productivity. So how do you pick the right one from the 15 global leaders? Let's break it down. Here are the top recommendations. WMTCNC, founded in 2014 with a 29,000 square meter facility and over 120 employees. Annual production capacity of over 500 CNC machine tools, 30 plus global service locations, and 7 international certifications, including ISO 9001 and CE. They offer a wide range of vertical machining centers and CNC mills, ideal for buyers looking for factory direct supply, export support, and strong cost-to-performance ratio. DAAS CNC/machining insights, not a manufacturer, but a specialized CNC knowledge platform offering technical tutorials, maintenance guides, and buyer education. Perfect for buyers who want to learn before they buy. Mazak, DMG, MORI, Okuma, Makino, premium Japanese and German brands, advanced automation, 5-axis machining, and ultra-high precision. Ideal for aerospace, mold making, and high-end production. Haas Automation, the go-to for job shops and education, broad vertical mill lineup, and accessible operation. Other notable names include DN Solutions, GF Machining Solutions, Hyundai WIA, Matsuura, Fanuc, Brother, Herco, and Tormac. DN Solutions offers a broad production machine portfolio. GF Machining Solutions specializes in precision milling and EDM. Hyundai WIA serves automotive and industrial machining. Matsuura leads in 5-axis and multi-pallet automation. Fanuc and Brother provide compact, high-speed machining solutions. Herco is known for user-friendly conversational control, and Tormac focuses on education, prototyping, and small workshops. Here's how to narrow it down. Need premium automation and 5-axis? Look at Mazak, DMG, MORI, Makino, or Matsuura. Running a job shop, Haas and Herco are solid choices. Need compact, high-speed machining? Consider Brother or Fanuc. For education or prototyping, Tormac is a great entry-level option. Want factory direct supply, strong product range, and export support? WMTCNC is your best bet. And if you're still researching, DAAS/CNC's technical content can help you ask better questions before you buy. Before you request a quote, know your part size, tolerance requirements, production volume, and budget. The right manufacturer depends on your specific needs. At WMTCNC, we help you find the right milling machine, not just the most expensive one.